Speech for the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter launch. Opening. Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you all today as we unveil one of the most highly anticipated trucks of the year, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement. It's a declaration of freedom, capability, and adventure, built for those who refuse to stay on the beaten path. Introduction to the Tacoma legacy. For decades, the Toyota Tacoma has been synonymous with durability, reliability, and off-road dominance. Whether tackling rugged mountain trails, forging through desert landscapes, or navigating dense forests, the Tacoma has proven time and again that it can handle whatever nature throws its way. The 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter continues this proud tradition while pushing the boundaries of what an adventure truck can be. The Trailhunter difference. The Trailhunter isn't just another Tacoma trim, it's a purpose-built overlanding machine, designed for those who live for the thrill of the unknown. Toyota has worked closely with top off-road and overlanding experts to craft a truck that's ready for extended off-grid adventures right from the factory. At its core, the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter is powered by a robust iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering both exceptional power and efficiency. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or cruising the highway on your way to the next adventure, this truck offers the perfect blend of performance and fuel economy. Built for adventure, every inch of the Trailhunter has been designed with overlanders in mind. It features factory-installed Old Man Emu suspension, specially tuned to handle rough terrain while maintaining a comfortable ride. The 33-inch all-terrain tires, paired with high-clearance front and rear bumpers, ensure that obstacles won't stand in your way. And with underbody skid plates and reinforced recovery points, you can take on even the toughest trails with confidence. For those who love to explore deep into the wilderness, the integrated air compressor ensures that tire pressure can be adjusted on the go, and the optional rooftop tent allows adventurers to set up camp wherever the road, or trail, ends. Technology meets toughness. Inside, the Tacoma Trailhunter blends rugged durability with modern technology. A 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring Toyota's latest multimedia interface, keeps you connected with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital gauge cluster, premium JBL sound system, and multiple USB-C ports make sure you stay informed, entertained, and powered up on every journey. Safety is also a priority, with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pre-collision braking, because even the most seasoned adventurers deserve peace of mind. Closing. The ultimate overlanding truck. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter isn't just a truck, it's a passport to adventure. It's designed for those who don't just dream of the great outdoors but live it. With its cutting-edge technology, off-road prowess, and overlanding-ready features, it's the perfect companion for anyone looking to go farther, stay longer, and experience more. So, are you ready to chase the horizon? The 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter is here, and adventure awaits. Thank you.